Let's get to unboxing time. This came yesterday, and I have one of these already, version 2, on the FX30 audio handle. Slowly. Safety first. Thank you for supporting a fellow creator. Before you get started, check out the setup guide on YouTube. If you have any questions or issues, don't hesitate to reach out to info@TheCreatorsCup.com. We would also love to hear any feedback on that email. We are consistently trying to update and improve. Cheers, Cliff and Cajun, K-A-J-U-N, The Creators Cup. Very cool. Unboxing. Ooh-wee. Unbox therapy. Not unbox therapy. SMN. I got this for the top of the road. Instead of having a big plate right there. So far in the Sennheisers, that sounds really, really nice. Bunch of stuff here. .3D printed. From So the bottom of the audio handle has it goes in at an angle, if you can see that. And what's cool about this is it has it built in too. So this is version 3, 3D printed by the Creators Cup. And what this does is it gives a lot more support to the fragile. Cliff came up with this because he was doing a flight, and for some reason the handle fell or something and the whole unit broke. So he came up with the solution, and he's been tweaking it since. Couldn't wait to get this. He does it all himself. This is the first time seeing it with everybody. So I think I'm going to have to remove this before I put this additional piece on. Doing this from memory. So this piece goes from below and pre-threaded or pre-opened sections that you can see. 1, 2, 3. And once you get them all together, that's when they lock in. we have these little threads on the bottom that slide right in. Now with this, you can attach other items. But for the purpose of this, I'm just going to put it on. So there's a bunch of pre-drilled that you can take these and just force it in, and you have a threads that you can attach items to. But at the moment, I'm not going to do that. So we have two pieces. We have the little nuts that you have to use. Two pieces. Slides right on. Solid. You have to put in the which was in a little bag. And the little one slipped right in. But one of these go here so it can accept the screw to lock it all in together. Here we go. So you put in the bottom half first. Then you go to the top half. If you have one of these iFixits, this is very nice. Use it to build my first computer. Then, so you put on the bottom half first, then you put in these long screws on top, which are a Phillips head. It should be flush. Make sure the door can open. Door opens. For the input select, opens freely. Want to strip it out. Tight Phillips head. Which is number 4. Phillips head number 4. There you go. The Condo Blue still fits. Extension handle. So we have the Condo Blue Raven Black extension back on. This happens to be the right size. We are going to make sure that the handle is semi-tight. iFixit. I bought this when I built my computer, so it's good to have one of these laying around. The Rode NTG2 with the extender makes it thicker. XLR cable, which I got, that uses high-end connectors, gold mount, new trick, and EUTRIK. New trick connectors with the gold mount. They cable, XLR cable. MOGAMI. I got this from Amazon. Highly recommended by a bunch of YouTubers. So this is for the scratch disc audio. Scratch disc audio. Going into channel 1. If you always put your boom mics in channel 1, which I guess is the industry standard. And since this have this, so this is the new version 3 Creators Cup. XLR, Sony XLR cage that keeps it solid as a rock. Cliff and Cajun, K-A-J-U-N, from the Creators Cup, version 3. B camera with Timecode. If anybody knows if they make a shorter version of this cable, which goes into, so this is the Sony BNC M1 for Timecode, which this cable is relatively short, which I like. And if they make this cable shorter, please let me know. I want a shorter one, like that long. That'd be cool if they made it for like 4 inches, 5 inches. And that would be plenty. So this from the Sony goes in the front. Even the, like 2 or 3 inches would be kick butt. So this goes right around here. So this is for the onboard tentacle sync. So if they make one of these shorter, please let me know. I would love to have one. Just, I don't think it's too long. They should make different sizes. So this is the B camera setup. This is from Smallrig. Goes right into the Condo Blue extension. PD battery. Very butted up against it. Right angle USB-C. And the cool part is I know I have juice because the end of this, the USB-C part, lights green. And if I turn the camera on, I'll see that it has battery, which it does. Okay, that should be it. I just want to make these shorter, and I have to make them 8 to 10 minutes. Thank you, Cliff and K. Jordan from TheCreatorsCup, version 3, which I really, really enjoy. There are additional pieces, like I mentioned. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm Walter. And if you made it this far, please like and subscribe. My goal for first half of 2023 is to hopefully get to 1,000 plus subscribers. That would be awesome. And that's about it. Thank you very much. And until next time, my next video will be about the rolling stand. I'll make that a separate video. Make them smaller, not long format. And hopefully this sounds really good. I know it sounds better when I'm close up to it. This is like a podcast to the mic. But I think it did pretty well. I also had tentacle sync. This is Sound Devices Mix Pre 3. Okay, till next time.